What is the difference between a veneer and a crown is a very good question. And let me see if I can make this very clear, because the difference is mainly how much tooth structure you remove. So for veneer, very conservative, you are typically taking away some of the enamel on the front of the tooth and on the sides, not on the back, and you're staying entirely in enamel. You're replacing that with a porcelain laminate, which restores the original strength of the tooth, and more importantly, it restores the tooth aesthetically. So for a crown is often done because the tooth is not only defective in the enamel, but it also has decay that goes through the enamel into the dentin, which now the part of the dentin has to be repaired. So in this case, you're going around the tooth 360 degrees, typically taking 1.5 millimeters off the top and off the sides, which is considerable. But in that case, you're trying to seal the tooth and restore the tooth and hold it together structurally. Where veneer is mainly for aesthetics, a crown is for aesthetics as well as an outcome, but it's mainly for structure and to remove the decay. So a crown is something that is much more invasive than a veneer. It's also something that I think the most important thing for patients to know is sometimes doing a crown versus veneer is a game time decision. You go into do a veneer, you find more extensive decay than you thought, and you end up with a crown. Does a crown look different than a veneer? The end result does not look any different. So patients sometimes think they have veneers when they actually have crowns, or they may think they have crowns when they have veneers. I think the important thing for patients to know is the end result should still look the same.